So ayo, what's up mga kabirador, and welcome back for another video.
You know, we do that better than anybody. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later.
Ang nag-sponsor po yung DG Plus. Kaya po lumalaki po eh. Gumagamit po sila ng ganong klaseng mga sikat na mga tao. So, alam ko po malaking pag-uusap ito, Mr. Chair. At alam ko, I think the PAGCOR and the DICT will be struggling to reinvent themselves kung paano ma-address ito. Halimbawa, mapag-usapan natin total ban. Paano kaya ang gagawin nila? Sa ngayon pa lang, Mr. Chair, I would suggest, kung nandito po yung representative ng BSP, na silang nagre-regulate po ng mga e-wallets. I believe, Mr. Chair, the BSP should issue a suspension order to e-wallet platforms to deny links to all these online game platforms para wala na pong wala nang pag-uusapan. Can the BSP do that?
Good morning, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Yes, as the Monetary Board of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas has approved our policy that we direct the BSP supervised institutions to take down and remove all icons and links redirecting to online gambling sites.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Before I ask PAGCOR, 2 or 3 points lang. Deputy Governor, can you clarify? Sabi niyo kanina kay Senator Marcoleta, may order na kayo na tanggalin yung links?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, hindi sumusunod sa inyo? Do you have GCash?
Yes, Your Honor.
I-open nyo yung GCash mo ngayon. Nandiyan pa huli yung link.
We gave them 48 hours,
So-
Your Honor, to take down the links.
When did you order, Deputy Governor?
Today, Your Honor.
Fine, Mr. Chairman, just to clarify. So what the gentleman from the BSP is saying is bawal na gamitin ang e-wallets for online gambling. We need a categorical statement from you. Bawal or tinatanggal mo lang yung app or bawal na?
We're removing the in-app links po from the
Not the use.
websites.
Not the use. Because what happens now if they want to go into a scatter or whatever game and it says there how to pay using PayMaya, GCash, nandun pa yun. So are you telling us you're just taking out the app but you're not taking out the being able to use that app, wallet to pay the account? Yan ang importante, sir, Mr. Chairman. Mahalaga yun, malaman ng taong bayan. So what is your answer before I will just ask my colleagues? This is very important. Are we going to ban now the e-wallets from being utilized for online gambling payments?
Mr. Chair, before he answers, because I'd like to put this in the proper perspective, this representation was the one who this morning made the suggestion, considering that the PAGCOR and the ICT has yet to do some struggling on how to regulate the online games operators. Ang sabi ko nga, maybe BSP should issue a suspension order to all wallet platforms like PayMaya, GCash, etc., to suspend their links to all online gambling operations. Yun po yun eh. Hindi ko alam na bakit sila po yung parang nagigisa ngayon samantalang They're only, I think they have only a very limited participation. Sir, are you a game developer? Are you an enabler? Are you a promoter? Di ba ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, Mr. Chair, mga online game gambling operators?
Senator Marcoleta, let's just clarify this. Kasi sila yung nagbigay ng pahintulot o lisensya sa mga e-wallets. Pero kasama po ba sa paglilisensya ninyo na pumasok sila sa sugalan, BSP Governor, sir? Did you allow them? I mean, meron po ba kayong go signal to include online gambling sa e-wallets? Did you do that? Kasi ang alam ko po, e-wallet para padala ng pera, di po ba? Bakit po pumayag kayo? I mean, this has been going on for several years now.
Mr. Chair, we allowed them to send funds or to remit funds to legal and more
Kaya nga po,
so
bilisan na po
licensed
natin.
entity.
Pinayagan nyo ba sila na maglagay ng gambling? Pinayagan po ninyo.
Given
Yes,
that
yes, yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Did you?
Yes.
Did you or did you not? Para malinaw po tayo. May katanungan po Senator Marcoleta. At magtatanong pa po Senator Cayetano, di pa po kami tapos sa PAGCOR. Just
Hindi.
answer yes or no. Pinayagan nyo ba?
Sandali po, hindi pa nasasagot muna yung tanong ko eh. Ay, kayo muna magot sa tanong ko. Kayo po ba ay game developer, kayo ay enabler, promoter, and marketer ng online games? Kasi
hindi po.
Mr. Chair, parang sila ngayon ang nagigisa eh. That's why I'd like to point out, ano po ba yung limited participation ninyo eh? Kasi ang PAGCOR po ang merong regulatory powers dito eh. Bakit hindi sila yung mauna na mag-regulate? Bakit po yung GCash ang dinidiin natin? Parang nakikita ko, we're all barking on the wrong tree. I just made the suggestion this morning but I did not expect na sila yung gigisahin natin. Hindi po sila yung operator eh. Ang kanila, sa akin pong pagkakaunawa, the participation of GCash occurs only at the point where lawful payment facilitation is performed. And GCash has employed stringent regulatory and compliance control. So, bakit sila yung receiving end? Ito lang naman ang punto. Let us be very reasonable here. Don't be harsh on anybody. Yung PAGCOR ang uunahin natin dito. Sila yung nag-breakdown ng regulation. If they cannot regulate their own accredited and approved online game operators, at sinasabi nila ngayon dito, Mr. Chair, ang problema yung pong mga illegal. Bakit hindi po nyo puntahan ng mga platforms, Mr. PAGCOR? Eh, ang mga platforms, kabisado naman natin kung sino-sino sila. Ito yung Google Pay. Ito yung Amazon, ito yung Facebook, ito yung Twitter. Can you not go to them in the first place with the help of DICT? Doon kayo magsimula. That's the first layer. And then go back to your legal or illegal. Tingnan nyo kung meron silang KYC measures to protect the public. Why are we frying the e-wallet? Wala po akong nakikitang participation nila sa e-gambling or whatever.
Yes, but they are the conduit to
But
online
for
gambling.
the
Without
record,
them, walang
for the
online-
record,
hindi
I
maka-
was the one who
pwede-
suggested.
Hindi po pwedeng magtaya yung mga bata kung wala yung...
Kaya nga po, ang sinasabi ko, i-suspend nila. Tapos na yun. Pag sinuspend nila lahat, yung link, so wala na pong magbabayad.
Mr.
At the
Chairman.
very least, merong provisional tayong nagawa ngayon. May provisional measure that we have done. But let us not naman fry people.
Let me answer.
Mr. Chair.
Chairman, bakit nag-isa? Yeah.
Senator
Let me,
Cayetano
with
then
your
Senator
permission, dahil ako
Taveros.
ako po yung medyo minitulo. First and foremost, tama po, Senator Marcoleta, ikaw nag-suggest. Ang kasalanan ko, I take all of your suggestions seriously. Na-offend lang po ako na sinagot kasi na wala na yan, wala nang links. Samantalang nung inon ko yung phone ng aking staff, meron pa rin link. And because nga, I found it lack of political will na July 5, kinonsulta pa rather than then. Secondly, sir, the thing is, I have received information, complaints from very, very reliable, in fact, players to, that yung ibang e-wallets, hindi ko sasabihin kung sino, later on kasi imbitahin naman ni Chairman Tulfo, sinabi niya kanina, that pati sa illegal, ginagamit yung e-wallets at kulang ang ginagawa nila. Ang PAGCOR does not regulate the e-wallets. It is central bank. Having said that, it is a bigger problem. So anyway, we'll leave it there and we will go now to PAGCOR. So with that, pasensya ka na, Senator Marcoleta, we're not passing the blame to central bank, but we're sharing the blame with I shared the blame with all of you. Dapat talaga nung pinasa yung PAGCOR law, tinanggal kasi dito sa Senate yung yung internet. Nakaban yun talaga nung 2007 law. 'Di ba? Kaya hindi ko masisi si Chairman Al kasi wala sa batas ngayon na bawal ang internet. Nilalagay namin ni Joel Villanueva yun sa pero tinanggal dito sa Senate. Anyway,
Mr. Chairman, if I may just very quickly, no, and I share the sentiments of my dear colleague Senator Alan Cayetano. In fact, every time we talk about PAGCOR's charter, Section 10 of PD 1869, yung PAGCOR charter as amended gives PAGCOR authority to operate and license gambling casinos, gambling clubs, and other similar recreation or amusement places, gaming pools. Wala dito yung online di ba? Hindi natin na yan. But
No,
I will go to that
tayo
later.
sa House, nilagay natin yon.
I remember
Sa
that.
BICAM, natanggal dito sa
Yes.
Senate. But at that
Yes.
time, hindi pa naman natin alam yung
Yes.
apps, hindi pa
Yes.
natin alam yung Paymaya,
Yes.
GCash.
I remember that, Senator Cayetano. And just to put on record, Mr. Chairman, just like Senator Marcoleta, I shared the same thing. I have nothing against e-wallets, etc. It's just that ginagamit sila but it appears that na hindi nagagawa ng regulating body yung dapat niyang gawin. Kanina, uminit din yung ulo ko dahil hindi ko po alam. And I'd like to put this on record because I didn't know these mechanisms, no? Yung for example, naglagay na pala ng pera yung mga kababayan natin. Hindi ko alam yun So ngayon ko lang narinig. Have I heard it kanina? Kaya may 48 hours. Hindi ako sasamaan loob Now that you mentioned it, para maprotektahan na yung mga naglagay at makalabas sila, then I understand and I will share now the position of the chair.
Yes.
Na
Senator
bigyan sila
Risa's bill.
time pa. So just put
Actually,
that on record, Mr. Chair.
yes.
Thank you.
Senator Risa's bill actually includes the ban. So tama yung tanong po ni Senator Migs na, sir, when will the central bank decide whether on your own, under the law, you can do that now will you ban the use of e-wallets for gaming? Kasi
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
With the indulgence of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, go ahead, Senator Tiveros.
Salamat, Mr. Chair, at salamat din kay Senator Alan dahil nabanggit na rin po niya, indeed, yung pagputol po absolutely ng link sa pagitan ng mga e-wallets at super apps at mga online gambling platforms, isa sa pinaka-importanting provision nung bill ko. Which is why also, Mr. Chair, I just wanted to manifest kasi kanina nabanggit na yung mga e-wallets. I'm really looking forward, Mr. Chair, dun sa sinabi nung chair kanina na iimbitahin din sila sa susunod na pagdinig para matanong natin. Because I believe those e-wallets, whether GCash, Paymaya at iba pa, ay may sagutin sa problemang ito ng online gambling. Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Gangster, we do that better than anybody. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with